All right, ladies, now that you have a core foundational understanding of what it means to be a romantic woman of style, let's get into some makeup and hair inspiration to help you pull this style personality together, because perhaps you may want to experiment with the style elements, the fabrications, the overall look that I have spoken about within this particular style personality video. So let's get to some romantic makeup and hairstyle inspiration. And I'm also curious to know, do you resonate with this particular style personality? Why or why not? I am so curious to know. But let's get to the hair and makeup of the romantic woman of style.
So I just wanted to spend a few minutes going over alternative romantic makeup ideas that I didn't get to within the actual visual presentation. And I also wanted to show you some examples of hairstyles that can be utilized with this particular style personality. So throughout the first half of the presentation on the romantic style personality, you will notice that the makeup examples that I utilized were somewhat neutral and simple in its application and its visual presentation. However, I found these 3 examples of alternative romantic makeup ideas because I think that, as I was stating throughout the first half of the video, if you are a romantic style personality or you resonate with the style personality, but you don't necessarily want to follow the traditional classic look of the romantic style personality makeup, you can always add, as I have been saying, pops of your accent colors from your signature color palette. So here we have Lupita Nyong'o centered in the middle with a pop of fuchsia lip color, which is not overpowering. It actually works as her best pink from the Deep Winter color palette. Color is the most important pillar to creating your personal brand through style. Without knowing your signature color palette, there is going to be a disconnect with how you show up visually between the colors that you choose randomly and the style that you resonate with. So once you know what your colors are, your best colors are, it's so much easier for things to fall into alignment and to evoke the energy of your style personality, of your authentic style personality. So Lupita being a deep winter woman of style, this color of pink works so beautifully with her. If you noticed, her eyeshadow has a bit of shimmery deep purple, which is from her signature deep color palette, and it works so beautifully against her cool ebony coloring. And I love that she picked up the same color on her eyeshadows in those beautiful antique drop crystal earrings. And if you remember, I spoke about the romantic style personality accessories, and one of your best accessories are antique accessories or heirloom accessories. And this particular style of earrings is giving me vintage old Hollywood energy, and it works beautifully with her makeup palette. So this is definitely an alternative take on romantic makeup. Now let's move to the beautiful songbird Solange Knowles. Now Solange is known for pushing the boundaries with her personal style. However, this particular look that I found on the internet of her makeup and her hair is just so beautiful. It's romantic, it's soft, it's so luscious. It's giving me modern day Diana Ross, but a toned down romantic version of Diana Ross. I love the pop of pink color on her lips, and the rest of her face is pretty neutral. It doesn't even look like she's wearing any eyeshadow, but in fact she is. So she went with a very neutral face, but opted for a pop of bright pink color on her lips, and her hair is in its natural state. It's not the typical soft bouncy curls or long silky tresses. I like that she kept her hair natural, and it is coiffed and soft and just looks so glamorous and romantic on the lovely Solange Knowles. So again, you don't have to fall in line with the classic romantic makeup of what this style personality is known for. You can push the envelope a little bit and play around with the accent colors from your particular signature color branding palette. And to the far left, we have the beautiful Zendaya. And I love this particular look because it is a complete monochromatic look of Zendaya's neutral colors. She seems to be a soft autumn woman of style, so the soft autumn color palette seems to be her signature color season, and I absolutely love this particular monochromatic look on Zendaya. Now, what I love most about this particular look is that the colors are not overpowering her. They work beautifully with her soft coloring, and she just looks very romantic, very polished, and she can easily take this look from an evening look to a casual day look if she wanted to as well. So this is a overview of alternative romantic makeup ideas for this particular style personality. Let's move on now to look at some hairstyles that can be worn day and evening for this particular style personality. Okay, and lastly, we have romantic hairstyle ideas that I personally absolutely love for this particular style personality. Now, at the top, and I apologize ahead of time if I get the celebrity names wrong. Again, it's about the hairstyle, not the actual celebrity. So at the top, I believe this is Camila Alves, and I absolutely love this coiffed, pulled back center part updo. It looks like at the back it has a little bit of a romantic soft fold that is the finishing touch towards the back of this particular hairstyle. And what I love about this hairstyle is that you can wear this to work, you could wear it in a professional setting, and you can also wear it in the evening after hours, or if you have a particular gala event to go to. So you can dress this particular hair up or down. And the key with this particular hairstyle, which Camilla did so beautifully, is to emphasize your eyes and your eyebrows and to leave your lips nude or a beautiful fleshy blush color, because as a romantic style personality, you do not necessarily like a lot of dramatic makeup. So again, as I spoke about earlier in the video, you want to keep the focal point to one feature on your face that you're highlighting with makeup. And in this particular case, Camila did a really beautiful job with defining her eyes and keeping her lips very neutral. Now, next to Camila, I think this is Julianne Hough. If I'm incorrect, I apologize, but this particular hairstyle is a classic romantic hairstyle. It's giving me California, it's giving me sunny days at the beach, and also being able to transition from professional work environment into a casual girls' night out evening with your friends. This is a very carefree, low maintenance hairstyle, and one of the key features of romantic hairstyles, if you're leaning more towards this particular style personality, is soft, loose waves or barrel curls really look beautiful with this particular style personality. Not always, but keeping a soft curve in your hair really works well with this particular style personality, because remember, the core foundation or the core elements of the romantic style personality is soft and flowy and gentle. And when you're choosing a hairstyle to go with this particular style personality, first and foremost, that it frames your face beautifully, and also that you are not being too edgy, too bold, too dramatic with this particular hairstyle for the romantic style personality. Next to that particular hairstyle, we have the lovely Zoe Saldana. Zoe Saldana is one of my favorite celebrity fashion beauties that I love to follow online every red carpet season. Zoe is wearing this beautiful updo, which is similar to Camila's hairstyle, but it's not as polished and finished on the side. She has a little bit of a wave hanging towards the side of her face, and it's giving, I'm not overdoing it, I just want it to look effortless. It works really well with her face shape and this particular style personality as well. So again, if you want to experiment with this particular hairstyle, if you resonate with this style personality, you want to not make it too coiffed and too polished as Camilla did. She kept it effortless. She kept it a little bit disheveled on the side just to make it look like it was just naturally windblown and you're just showing up like this, right? Next, we have the lovely Reese Witherspoon. Now, Reese is giving me classic LA, California girl with the golden locks that are perfectly curled. This is like a classic Hollywood hairstyle for a woman who resonates with this particular style personality and you want to go completely all out with this particular hairstyle. So these are what are known as barrel curls, and she does this look quite beautiful, and I love the pearls that she matched with this particular hairstyle. It is giving alternative romantic, maybe theatrical, artistic romantic. It's not the classic, soft, gentle, feminine romantic, but it still works because, again, you just want to make sure that you keep a soft curve, a softness, a little bit of a bounce in your particular hairstyle if you are going for a hairstyle that is going to be left down. So quickly towards the bottom, we have Zoe Saldana again wearing another updo hairstyle, which works. This time she doesn't have anything hanging down at the side of her face. And again, it's not quite polished and groomed to perfection. There's a little bit of a lift at the top, which is giving it a nice softness. To the right of Zoe, we have Rosie Huntington. Now, Rosie is keeping this particular hairstyle simple, half up, half down. Nothing too exaggerated, nothing too dramatic. She kept her makeup very neutral. And I like this hairstyle for a romantic style personality because it's soft, it's not overly stiff, it's very flowy, and it's carefree. Next, we have the lovely Kerry Washington. Now, Kerry Washington is another favorite of mine, and she's wearing this updo quite beautifully as well. Notice her makeup is very neutral, and the particular hairstyle is a beautiful coiffed into a beautiful soft roll at the back, and nothing's in the face. So again, with this particular style personality, you want to keep it soft, simple, and not too dramatic. Some soft curls, and that's about it. Again, we have Kerry Washington with a similar hairstyle, half up, half down, similar to that of Rosie Huntington. And the difference with this particular hairstyle is that she has a romantic side sweep, and her stresses that are left down seem to have a little bit of a wave, a romantic wave to it. And lastly, we have the lovely Scarlett Johansson, who is rocking a beautiful romantic bob. If you happen to be a woman listening to this and you prefer shorter bob cuts, then this particular idea to still channel in the energy of the romantic hairstyle works because there is soft waves throughout this bobbed hairstyle. Again, it's not too stiff, it's not perfectly coiffed into a lovely ponytail like Camila has done in the first photo, but it still works. So I hope that these romantic hairstyles are giving you some inspiration to experiment with if you happen to resonate with this particular style personality.
Okay, ladies, you have made it to the end of the Romantic Woman of Style. Thank you for taking the time to watch this particular style personality. And I'm curious to know, which style personality do you resonate with the most? Is it the dramatic woman of style? Is it the bohemian woman of style? Is it the old money versus the classic elegant woman of style? Or have you not found your style personality yet? In the next video within the RWS Style Personality Series, we are going to be getting into this sultry vixen woman of style. Who is she? What is she all about? She's a hottie, she's spicy, and she most certainly is sexy. Do not forget to check out the color branding playlist. There are a wealth of color branding, color analysis. I like to say color branding is a more modern term for me. And this playlist will help guide you towards figuring out what your color season is and your color palette is. And if you are stuck, if you don't have the time to go through each of the videos to determine which color season and color palette you are, I am also available for virtual color consultations. And I will link to that specific page where you can learn more about my color branding services. And you can also read real color testimonials of clients who I have worked with. In the fall, I am going to also be releasing my style audit service. So just in time, right after the summer holidays, summer vacation, everybody's getting ready to go back to school, to work, you're up leveling in your business and you want to come back with a bang. You want to come back with a fresh, new, elevated look to finish out the year of 2025. The RWS Style Audit is going to be something that you're going to want to keep on your radar. I'm not going to say anything much more about it, but I'm looking forward to releasing that service to the community as well. I will see you in the next video. Stay hot or cool, depending on what you prefer during the summer season. I am absolutely basking in this amazing weather that we've been getting in Canada. And I look forward to receiving your comments. Do let me know, which style personality do you resonate with? Why or why not? See you in the next video. Bye for now.